Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to increase or decrease the size of any SMS text in Samsung Messages app. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have a Samsung smartphone. So firstly just open the Samsung Messages application and say I have tons of SMSs right now. So firstly let me show you by clicking on these three dot icons. Now let me go to the settings. And you can see here clearly we don't have any such option to increase or decrease the SMS text size. So in order to increase or decrease the respective SMS text, what you need to do is just open the respective SMS and say now this is the default SMS text size. So in order to increase, just you need to use two fingers and just swipe it upwards diagonally just like this, so you can see. And now in order to decrease the SMS text size, just use again the two fingers and just swipe diagonally downwards, so you can see the percentage size of the SMS text size. So you can see here. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily increase or decrease the size of any SMS text in Samsung smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool hidden features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.